So I have the secondary dance unit. Um, so first activity we're playing is called musical ball. This game is just like musical chairs, but they're a little different. There's a couple little differences. Everyone will be in a circle. When the music starts, the person who has the ball will pass it to another student. We will keep passing the ball until the music stops. When the music stops, the person with the ball will hold on to the ball, and this person will then get a point. And at the end of the game, the person at the end of the activity with the most points wins. And while the ball is being thrown around, every student needs to be dancing. There is not a certain dance that we have to be doing, but you just have to be dancing. So here are some cues and dance moves that you can do. Clap, grab, shake, roll, swing, reach, shoulders, squat, jump, knee lift, kick, tap, tippy toes, slide, pump, bend, twist, nod, tilt, and bop. And right here, as you can see, these are those moves that I just listed. But there's pictures here so you can see. And in this picture, you can see that it's separated by what type of body part you're using. So for this first column, the green column, it is upper body. So that would be clapping, grabbing, shaking, rolling, swinging, reaching, and using your shoulders. In the pinkish column here, it's lower body. So that's squat, jump, knee lift, kick, tap, tippy toes, and slide. In the orange, you have pump, bend, and twist. And then in the head column, you have nod, tilt, look, and bop. So the modifications, the game is already modified to include all students, even ones that have limited mobility. Because if you go back up here, so let's say a student's in a wheelchair and they can't do lower body like squat, jump, slide. Up here it has dances that they can do since they can't really move. The game is just like musical chairs, but this does not require everyone to move around in a circle. Moving in a circle would be hard for students who have limited mobility because, if students can move fine compared to students who can't move, they're going to get lapped and they're going to have a hard time. And then running to the chairs is going to be hard for them too. This way they can just stand where they are and dance, or if they need, they can be given a chair or something to sit down on. Moving in a circle for a student in a wheelchair would mean they are focused on moving instead of dancing. So if you're going in a circle and you're supposed to dance when you're in the circle, they can't really dance because they have to be moving themselves in the circle. And it'd be hard to race to a chair if they're already sitting down. So extensions would be, you could add more balls that are thrown in. That way students have to be more on guard, look for more balls. Extensions would require the students to use specific dance moves. So that'd be like they'd throw the ball, I'd stop the music, that person would get the point, and then I would tell them to, during this time, do a certain type of dance move. And then you have the students make a dance that they will use during each different time between music stoppings. So that's kind of the same thing I just said, except they make up their own dance moves beforehand, that would be.